long do you think it takes to machine an impeller? Our programming engineer is only allowed to complete all machining within 6 hours.
Yeah.